Your beginnings will seem humble, so prosperous will your future be. Job chapter 8, verses 7. Hello, beautiful family. A very warm welcome back to the Lovystouch food channel. Thank you so much for coming back. Let's make Sunday dinner together. We are making Tuo Zafi, Diehuo, very delicious meal from the northern part of Ghana, and it's just so nutritious. All these ingredients will be listed below in the description box, so kindly check it out. Meal has three different parts, and we have the stew or the sauce part, and we have the okra and the swallow. There's so many ways to make this meal, but I love or choose to make it the easiest way possible. So let's start by making the stew. I have here my beef, lots of different types of the beef, and I am going to season with some beef stock and salt, and I'm going to also grind some onions, ginger, garlic, rosemary, some cloves, and pepper as well. Blend it until very nice and smooth, and then I'll pour it on my beef. So in this bowl, we have like the beef stomach, we do have the intestines, we also have the cow skin as well. So go ahead and use any part of the beef that you prefer. Okay, then cover it, allow it to steam for the next 20 minutes on a low to medium heat. While at it, I'll go ahead and blend some tomatoes and pepper. That is basically it. I do not like stressing myself at all when it comes to making my Diehuo sauce. It is that easy. So I'll pour my tomato and pepper mix here and stir gently together. Afterwards, I'll cover it, allow it to cook on a low medium heat for the next 20 minutes. There's something that is going to happen to make this even more tastier. The broth, the stock, the beef, everything is just going to mingle very well together. So here I'm going to go ahead and prep for the Ayoyo soup. That is the green soup, which is very key in your Diehuo Tuozaafi. So in my pot, I added one stock cube, allow it to cook, and then added my Ayoyo or molockia leaf and added a bit of blended okra to it because I want it to be very nice and slimy. I just went ahead to whisk it very well together, allow it to cook for just 5 to 7 minutes. Added a little bit of onions as well to enhance the flavor, and that is it. Pretty much it is very simple like this. The molockia leaves are sold here frozen. That's why I choose to always add a bit of okra just to maintain that golden sliminess that we want in our Diehuo. So here it's almost done, so I'm going to just go ahead and whisk it very well so that the sliminess will be maintained. I'll set it aside once it's done and just heat up some palm oil, caramelize some onions in it, and pour it back to my sauce. We are done with our Tuo Zafi sauce and our green soup, that is the Ayoyo soup. Love that we are done with this stew. The only part left is our swallow. Let me tell you, family, one big secret that I want to tell you is anytime that I want to make a quick meal that my family will all love, hey, I go for Diehuo. It is so easy. I don't know why people do the longer stretch versions into making the stew, allow it to, like, it is so easy. For the swallow part, I'm going to go ahead and put some water on fire, just allow it to boil, and all that you need is your cornmeal and your dried cassava flour, that is the kokonte. I have really shared a very detailed recipe on this, and I'm going to link it here and below as well. I might rush through this because it has been already shared. I just don't want the video to be too long. Okay, so I'm going to go ahead and cook my cornmeal and just allow it to thicken up, and then add my cassava flour. While adding it, the only thing you have to do is make sure that your heat is on a very low heat. Go ahead and mix it gently and just apply more heat. Drive it very well until everything gets very well incorporated. Just make sure the heat is enough to steam everything well for the next 20 minutes and you'll be good to go. This is just so good. Very delicious. If you've tried Tuo Zafi before, you know the drill. It's just incredibly tasty. So all that you have to do is add your okra, your tomato sauce with the beef in it, and that is it, fam. It is so delicious. Meal is what my family really enjoy, every one of it. There is nobody who do not like this meal at all. It is so good. So I love sharing it just so that you try it out, too. There's nothing like a meal that each and every family member loves. It just makes your work very easy. So there you have it, family. Thank you so much for watching. I really hope that you enjoyed this recipe and you're going to give it a try. Please do not forget to give me a thumbs up, share with your friends and family. And if this is your first time here, hello, my name is Lovia from Lovystouch. My main goal here is to cheer you up into making your own delicious meal right at the comfort of your home. I also love to share kitchen related motivational videos, so please come on board and subscribe to join the family for amazing new recipes every week. Thank you so very much, family, for watching once again. And as always, know that you're so beautiful just the way you are. I will see you in my next one. Have a blessed day.